go. What's up, mga kabilis? One, two, three, go. What's up, mga kabilis?
Hello mga kabilets. Hello. What's up? Today I'm going to cook ginataang tulingan. And here are my ingredients. Talong, siling haba, luya, sibuyas, paminta, omami seasoning, and pechay. And I have coconut milk powder. Walang available na fresh coconut milk, salt, and vinegar. Now what I'm doing, ipapaksiw natin yung tulingan. Papaksiw ko with lemongrass. At may suka na rin yan. Lemongrass vinegar, little bit of salt, and pepper. At ilalagay ko din yung luya. It's already boiling. The paksiw. Medyo patuyuin natin siya ng konti. Nilagay ko na rin yung luya. That's tulingan. 140 pesos per kilo. And while we're waiting for the paksiw, dissolve the coconut powdered milk in hot water. And while I'm cooking, guys, mga kabilets, yung aking mga anak na magagandang manang-mana sa akin, they arrived from grocery. Wow, unboxing pizza. Ate Abby. Pizza sa probinsya. Asa si Ate Lara? Ano magbigay na? Isa pong paatalastas from main outlet. Pizza again. How was the grocery out there?
Meron na, may mga stocks na sila.
Okay. Maganda po yung background ng aking niluluto, oh.
Wow!
Ate Lara, Mercy. Haggard, look. Say hi.
Wow! Yay!
Wow.
Yay!
Unboxing. Anong flavor? Hawaiian? Oh, come on, kabilets. Let's eat. Oh, you agkat. And then you invite the kabilets.
Hi! Let's eat
Breakfast. Mabalik sa pagluluto, natuyo na po yung paksiw. Pwede na siyang igisa. Nilalagyan ko na po siya ng coconut oil. Ang style ko po na gagawin ngayon, version ko, is igigisa ko yung bawang sibuyas. And then, isaute ko rin yung gulay. So, this is my version of ginataang tulingan na ginisa. Usually, hindi na siya ginigisa. Pero, gusto kong maiba yung aking ginataang tulingan for today. Segue, nag-enjoy kami sa pizza. So, inuna ko pong nilagay yung talong, the eggplant, and then the pechay. Medyo i-fry natin siya ng konti. Bago natin ilagay yung sabaw and the tulingan mismo. So now, let's add the coconut milk, the gata. Okay. And then we'll put in the tulingan na. Then let's add the siling haba with the green chili for additional taste and aroma, and as well as the salt for taste. And then we'll be adding umami seasoning also for additional flavor, my favorite. And let it just simmer or boil for a while, and then voila, it's cooked na here in Buhay Probinsya with the puno-puno halaman. So guys, it's cooked na. That's ready to eat na. Let's go on plating and come and eat, kabilets. May sound ba? And it's taking on time na. Come and eat, mga kabilets. My children. Tatahagin. Yes. Ano lasa? Pwede naman magsinungaling. Tatagod ko sa binsoy. Lagi pa sa atin. Diba fast forward ko nun? Yan. So, nandito po kami sa harap na sarap ng dalan. So that's my cooking vlog for today. Thank you for watching with the Ginataang Tulingan. You do have a great day now.